Are you ready to have your mind blown and your kitchen revolutionized? What if I told you that something as simple as a humble egg holds the power to completely transform your health and cooking experience? Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, we're about to uncover shocking secrets that have been hidden in plain sight in your kitchen. You might be eating eggs every day, but are you truly unlocking their full potential? Prepare yourself for a journey that will make you rethink everything you know about eggs. Let's start with something that sounds harmless, but could actually pose a significant threat to your health: eating raw or undercooked eggs. Many people believe that consuming raw eggs is the ultimate way to preserve their nutrients and protein. After all, eggs are packed with essential vitamins like B12, D, and high-quality protein. But here's where it gets tricky. Raw eggs carry a risk that most people overlook: Salmonella. Salmonella bacteria can be present on the eggshell or even inside the egg itself. Eating raw eggs can lead to food poisoning, which in severe cases can cause nausea, vomiting, and dehydration, especially dangerous for vulnerable populations like the elderly. The risk of infection is higher as we age because our immune system weakens, making us more susceptible to these infections. And while raw eggs may seem like a health trend, the risk just isn't worth it. Another common mistake is improper storage of eggs. You may think that eggs are fine as long as they're kept in the fridge, but this is not always true. Storing eggs in the door of the fridge, where the temperature fluctuates every time you open it, can cause bacterial growth, especially if the eggs are stored there for too long. Eggs should be stored in the coldest part of your fridge, typically at the back, to keep them fresh for as long as possible. Also, if eggs are left at room temperature for more than 2 hours, harmful bacteria like Salmonella can multiply rapidly. Always store them in their carton to prevent cross-contamination with other foods. Now let's talk about one of the most common kitchen mistakes: overcooking your eggs. Whether you're scrambling, frying, or boiling, cooking eggs at high heat can strip them of their valuable nutrients. High temperatures cause oxidation in eggs, especially in the fats and cholesterol, turning them from a nutritious powerhouse into a potential health risk. One of the key nutrients affected by overcooking is vitamin B12, which is essential for nerve function and energy production. Overcooked eggs can also lose folate, vital for DNA repair and cell growth, and antioxidants like lutein, which supports eye health. So next time you're cooking eggs, remember, low and slow is the way to go. Host, raising an eyebrow. Here's something you might not have thought about: using the wrong kind of oil when cooking your eggs. While eggs are a great source of healthy fats, using cheap, highly processed oils like vegetable oil or canola oil can completely undermine their nutritional value. These oils are often refined at high temperatures and contain trans fats and omega-6 fatty acids, which are inflammatory when consumed in excess. Instead, opt for healthier alternatives like extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, or even butter. These fats are much more stable at higher temperatures and won't break down into harmful compounds. Not only will this help preserve the nutritional value of your eggs, but it'll also enhance the flavor. Lastly, let's talk about the quality of the eggs you're choosing. It's easy to grab the cheapest carton of eggs from the store, but what you might not realize is that the quality of the eggs can make a huge difference in both taste and nutrition. Factory-farmed eggs, while convenient, often lack the beneficial omega-3s and higher nutrient content found in free-range or organic eggs. Research shows that eggs from free-range or organic chickens have a significantly better nutrient profile, including higher levels of omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and antioxidants. So, when possible, choose higher quality eggs for better taste and nutrition. So, there you have it. 5 mistakes that could be sabotaging your egg experience, whether it's raw eggs, improper storage, overcooking, the wrong oils, or low-quality eggs. Making these simple adjustments can not only improve your health, but also elevate your cooking game. Remember, eggs are an amazing source of nutrition, but only when handled properly. Thanks for watching, and if you learned something new today, make sure to like this video, subscribe to The Healthy Path, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a healthy tip. Let me know in the comments below. Which of these mistakes have you been making with your eggs, and what changes will you be making from now on? I can't wait to hear your thoughts. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to help you live your healthiest life. See you in the next video. Which egg cooking habit do you think you're most guilty of, and how do you plan to improve your egg cooking game going forward?